Hey guys, very important. Please take note if you're leaving the Philippines 3 days before leaving or 72 hours before leaving, you can already fill up the e-travel online application o yung tinatawag na etravel.gov.ph. Very important ito because otherwise, when you go to immigration, hihingin sa inyo yan. Pag wala sa inyo yan, hindi kayo makakalusot sa immigration. So your passport at saka the successful e-travel online document. What do you do? 3 days before or 72 hours before, make sure na fill upan nyo yun. It's quite easy naman to fill up. Just need a good internet connection. Tapos, access it online. And then, please be ready with your flight details. Passport, of course, no? And all information are there. And also, please fill it up na talagang accurate yung information. And also, please take note na fill upan nyo na yan. Ako lang ha, tip ko lang. Fill upan nyo not while nakapila kayo sa immigration. Kasi, diba mabilis ang kilos, may hawak kang dokumento sa isang kamay, may hawak kang phone sa isang kamay, tapos bit-bit mo pa yung hand carry mo, tapos minsan masama pa yung signal. And then minsan, it has happened to me twice. Kinukulot ako ng katabi ko, medyo elderly, hindi marunong, so tinawan ko pa. So, okay lang naman yun. Pero the thing is, please accomplish and do it actually earlier. No? 72 hours or 3 days before. Tapos, ang end result niyan is a QR code. And that QR code that you will get, mada-download email sa inyo, screenshot mo sa telepono mo. Kung medyo traditional ka, sige, print out mo, whatever. But it's something that you show to immigration. So, please prepare. Because what's sad that I keep on seeing is people still tend to forget. The others are clueless. O yung mga iba, parang, sige, tumabi na kayo, gawin nyo na yan. So, medyo parang, hindi man harsh, pero parang hindi ganun ka-compassionate ang ibang mga immigration natin. Sorry ha. But I just have to say what I observe. So, spare yourselves yung ganyang klaseng tension, dilemma. So, ang gawin natin dito is ayusin na natin. Ayusin natin habang maaga. Pwede naman research about it para makita nyo. Okay? So, please, very important yan. Happy travel. Bye!